What's up? Happy new month from this side. I hope you're doing good. Everything is amazing on your side, everyone's side. So I'm currently in a trade. Actually testing out my indicator. It's more of support and resistance stuff with what I trade. Giving me momentum and stuff. And it actually evaluates all the trades from support or resistance levels. So I think I should be putting this one to break even right now. I'm kind of floating in a way. So let me see if I can put my other tool. Risk before. Alright, cool. We're actually floating very good. I like it. And I think I should. It's kind of dragging in a way. It's kind of. So yeah, let me try and put this one. Let me try and. I think that's the reason as to why I can't be able. I like how we close, but I don't like. There's so much going on right now. I think I should be, taking some profit somewhere. I think we will be coming to test right here. We close right here, so I think I should trail a bit. Right? Wait, can I be able? I think I should remove this one. It's making right there because we are near that support. We have already tested the VWAP, and we are near to market open, and CVD has shown support on that area, so I should be taking some profit right here, above right here. Although I like how 5 minutes has really played out, plus indicator is showing kind of bullish momentum on 1 minute. Let's see on 5 minutes what he's saying. So still coming to that zone. We already broke the support. It should turn. It has kind of a dynamic way of adjusting itself, but yeah, we were on that downtrend, then broke, then came back on that premium level, then we are selling off. But we might see by, let's see on the TPO, what we're seeing currently is there's a naked POC right here. I don't know if we might feel all this, but this one can also be a support because you see there's a single right here. So yeah, so on 1 minute we kind of have a signal, bullish signal, and I should put this one right here because if we close below, that would be a good place to put. Let me adjust a bit just in case it turns because it did not close. So we have this. Let's see if we hold. So we have sellers who are kind of trapped right here, and Yeah, so let's see if what happens when market opens in the next 30 minutes and so or so. So we testing. I think I should put a calendar on 3401. Might take profit as for 34402. That's okay. On that POC. Mind you, we never closed below, so this one might serve as, and actually what I might do is I might consider this as somewhere we could test. So 45, yeah, maybe a little bit up to 430, 460 something, maybe. I don't know. But above here, it's CVD is showing bullish momentum, so I should be out of that trade right there. Let me just, yeah. Let me just put it right here. On 3054, yeah, there I should be out of that trade because of this CVD momentum. I'm kind of trading pre-market, so right, let's see what happens. For mind you, we never broke below last week on Friday, like Friday's value area high, so we might see like a correction and stuff. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, we're out of that trade. It was a good trade. Let's see, 4 points. I do not want to give back to the market. So let's see if this low will hold, this support right here. And if then I might see if this is broken, then probability is we're gonna see like this hold, and then this inversion is met. Because CVD is looking bullish in a way. Maybe it might be a correction or something. Let's see what 15 minutes is saying. With that, we broke, then we went back in. I like what I'm seeing. After it took me then, after we were taken out, then we are back in. Yeah, straight into our take profit before market opens. Wow. 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 You all seeing this? Can you believe? Can you believe this? Oh, damn. Was not happening. Was not happening. Was not happening, man. One hell of fat candle. One hell of fat candle right there. And we are not yet done. Interesting. Interesting. So we have found like a node right there. Like this edge right here, and we're actually below last week. Wait, let me see financial juice what they're saying. What's up? Iran stops message exchange with the US in protest against crimes. That's the only news. But yeah, we're still up 141. Actually, that was a good. If we could have hold right here. Let me put 5. You saw how it held. You know that that node right there, that inversion, and currently we're just in like bullish momentum. So we are kind of on low, a turn. So we might be taking, maybe let's say we take a buy right there, then target all this momentum right here. We just take actually we could put 400 just in case on that POC right there before market opens in the next 15 minutes. Let me just put it right here where there was the resistance. It's kind of like a counter trend. So yeah, let's see what happens. So that value area low is kind of, we still haven't gotten like an indication of, from my indicator, like we have a bullish momentum. It just gave us a bearish momentum, and it was very late for us to get in, and its rating, it's like 5, the strength of that it was 5. You can imagine all these buyers being squeezed right here. So yeah, it's crazy. Yeah? Let's see if we'll have that, momentum back. Just maybe around here. Mind you, we're still bullish in a way on that higher time frame. So this is a discount level right here. So yeah. So let's see if we're gonna get back to around 400. Just 400 would be good because of that POC. So I'm not seeing it coming back. That would be pure manipulation and stuff. Right here. So we have also support of actually correction right here. So yeah, let's see what price does. So I'm seeing at 400. I'll put my stop loss to break even. We have support of bullish momentum from the indicator. Let's see if it holds. It's kind of late given, and let's see if what's the strength. It's not a good strength. It's like 2 for that correction. So basically, we are on that retracement phase, and yeah, if you can see, it's showing like a strength of 2 out of 6. So it's not really a good. This is kind of like a counter trend and stuff. Back to the POC. I'm just looking at the POC, not trying to be a guru in a way. Don't know. So yes, so we have, if we could kind of zoom in a way, wait, just zoom in too much. So we have I kind of have like on that CVD side, we do have a bearish momentum, and we kind of like, I think we have corrected already, so we might see like a push to break these lows when market opens. Then later we have, like back to this area consolidating and stuff. But I think right now we might be seeing, I do like how we have closed right here. I like it, but still bearish in a way. Back to this, price came, broke, consolidated again, then broke over the weekend. So let's see in the next 10 minutes what price will do. And I think for me, I think I should close this trade right here below here, because I think we that momentum when we open, like, we're gonna get stopped. I'm seeing these lows being broken. That is what I'm seeing, or a quick correction, which we have already done to around 400 here. We have already done, so we have tested already right here. So yes, this is the zone I'm seeing. price would like to test right here. So let me put this one right here. So that CVD is showing, yeah, we might be stopped out right here, and I think price is going to take out all these lows. We have more interest of buyers around here, but I don't think we have like a very bearish reading in a resistance level. I think we are kind of, I think I should put right here just in case we get stopped out. That's enough. And I should wait, let me just let me put right here. Okay. You're gonna get stopped out right there below here. That's okay by me. More bullish interest right here. You know, I'd love to see us breaking this high. You know, that would be good. Back to this POC, then we can claim the lows. Should I put a little bit down in a way? Yeah, we have claimed very area high, low, and POC. So it's a clear indication we're moving lower. And if we go lower than that, where will we be going in that case? So I think we can try and get so still have, this is a very I think this is a zone we should be watching right here. I think we are out of that trade. Yeah, we will be stopped out right there. We're down 100. We have given back. We have more momentum on the downside, and if we be going down, then that means there's a node right here. I like how we did not close on the CVD side. I like how we closed. Five minutes to go. This could have been a very beautiful trade if I had put my stop loss above that inversion. I like how CVD has not closed there, so I'll after that candle close, I'll take my buy right there with a tight stop loss. Which should be a very tight stop loss for me. Price is wild, literally. Will we see lower pricing? Maybe. But I like how this CVD is looking. If we push lower, that means we'll be taking that low. Three minutes to the open. Will price hold? I see. I'll take a buy right there and target right here on and kinda 80 and 360 and give it room to 60 right there, and I'll be targeting 400 right around 400 or above 400, and that's open. Let's see how price does. Let's see if this might be also my last trade. Only 2 trades. Actually, this is the third trade, right? Yeah, let's see how it plays out on that open. I took it on CVD because we saw an interest of lower pricing, but then again on the CVD side, so we saw price broke. That's number one. But CVD held. It just held. So if we have a closure on an inversion CVD right here, for me that would be a clear indication like we have exhausted the downside. Now we will be targeting the low has volume in terms of low has held, then we should be targeting POC, and we have opened. Let's see what price does. We never close 5 minutes, we never close up, so we might be testing that POC only, then we push lower. So I should be aware of that. So the CVD side, okay, I should change to, because if we push lower than that means we're still bullish. So let's see if we hold. CVD is bullish. So yeah, let's see if so much. This is a clear indication we are going lower. CVD looking bullish. So I'll just be targeting 400 right here, 400 or anything above, because we have all this node right here, which might serve as so I'll move my stop loss to break even, just in case. If we hit 400, I'll just move to 400 because that's clearly and we have a clear indication of I would love to see price close above, but that's a node we might not hit. So let's see. I just actually we're kind of, let's see if we have momentum, but already we topped this node right here. So I'm cruising on break even. If we tap on that 400, I'll be moving my remind you we are closing right here, so I just trail. We're around 400, that zone, and that should be my right here below this candle. So I'm not seeing us going above this inversion, so I'm just putting my stop loss, protecting my stop loss right there. So we're going up, so I'll just trail at this point, just put below that. So and 420.28 is my interested zone. Let's see if we're gonna get above that, which I'm not sure, but I'm kinda protecting myself around here. I'm out of that trade, and I'm out of that trade, and I'm up 34. I wonder what I think too much. It's kind of alpha display. It's more of support. Yeah. So I like what I'm seeing right here. So this might serve as a clear indication we are heading to the downside. On that 5 minutes, we have that inversion which kind of haven't been tapped. So and buy interest, but CVD is looking bearish. So if we see this candle doesn't hold, then I might try and take one last trade. And yeah, CVD is not in support of that. So a little bit push to the upside. A little bit push to the upside. No. Yeah, we're testing that. And I should take my sell right here. Then put stop loss around 45.59. So 60, around 60. And actually target that low. But just in case it doesn't work out, yeah. So mind you, we just had the same way I took the last trade, the previous trade. Like there was that CVD momentum where it did not close above, it's below. So mind you, we're still like some few minutes into the open. So, and we have this bullish momentum. So I'll try and protect myself as much as I can. But yeah, according to the CVD, we have that consolidation. If in any case it doesn't work out, then I should be out of that trade. So this is the high. And if it tap me out, then it's okay by me. But I shouldn't lose any trade to the market. If it doesn't work out, then it's fine by me. We have bearish reading on that CVD, but we still have that bullish momentum at the moment. So if this high is broken, then I should be out of that trade, and it will be a clear indication that we have inverted. So we might see like clear indication or a move to the upside. Yeah, I'm out of that trade. We're back to, and this now, if we close, then according to my A setup, this is a bullish setup right here. We're just in. If we close in the next 2 minutes above here, but then again we have also VWAP, CVD consolidating. We have held, we have moved above POC, yesterday's POC. We are on that node. So let's see what happens. But still CVD. Still CVD is not looking juicy. So we have closed, we have not closed above. And yeah, I think here right here, say in 2 minutes what price does. If it doesn't, then it's clear indication like we have buyers who have been trapped above here, or maybe it's sellers who have been induced into it. Yeah, now this is what I'm saying. Like this above here, it's a clear indication like we're on that bullish momentum, but then again there is VWAP, there is CVD, and yeah, this is a clear indication for me. This is a clear indication of bullish momentum. So I should literally be cautious and move with price, and I protect myself. And how it moves, that's how I should move. I don't want to end up being on the wrong side of the move. So a push to the downside, for me, it's a clear indication I should be out of that trade. I don't want to know where it will go, but what I know is this for me, it's also it never closed above this high. So there is this and this high, but this inversion that's a sell momentum and bullish momentum. Yeah. Right here is chop fest. A closure down, that would be good. Another right here, and stop loss right here. This is what I'm saying. Chop fest. I should flatten that one. Right here, just in case it turns to the upside. Yeah, chop fest. So let me should take a buy. A bullish momentum. Let's see, after that we just testing that, then let's see if we gonna break 512. So I'll put it 500 right here, and this should be my final boss. If I'm stopped out, then I should be running and screaming. So this is right here is chop fest. Without on that inversion right here. On 45. So we already closed, and this is the distance. So if we take to right here 45, that means we're below POC, and we should be on this lower. So we're testing that POC right here. So if we hold up, then we should be targeting the high of the initial balance for 15 minutes. So where is 3384. Let's see in the next 20 minutes what. So we're seeing bullish momentum on CVD. If this is broken, then we might be targeting the highs at 97. 497 right there. But mind you, we have that VWAP and that momentum is kind of dying off. But a closure of the CVD would be even better, juicier. If we close above that high on CVD, that would be good indication like there is interest of going back to, and that's what I'm seeing on CVD. So CVD is taking momentum. I think we might see more buyers coming in after we break this high. So we up, and maybe we're seeing, I would love to see a closure of this candle above right here. That would be good. Not just a break, but a closure. And when we see that, we're seeing break. I just want to see it hold, because if we don't hold, then we might turn this. So that 15 minutes, and this doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. I just want to see that more volume of buying pressure and not like a hold in a way. That is not good indicator of we might be pushing to the upside for me. So we have broken that 30 minutes candle, but will we see a closure? I don't know. So this inversion right here, if we hold this inversion, clearly it means we'll be going to the downside. So I would actually move my stop loss to right here, just in case we don't hold. And actually we not hold. Probability is very high. Because where we are at the moment is we're more of in a spiral of more bullish momentum than bearish. So a closure of this, then that means it's a clear indication of still up 94. So yeah, I think I'll take a sell right there, put right here, and target the low of that momentum. Yeah, they open. Yeah, if it doesn't work out, then fine by me. So CVD broken, broke the highs, then turn the other side, Then we just consolidating at the moment, but we had this inversion right here, and it's on this, it never broke, so that's the reason as to why I got into this. But there is POC right here below, so at 400, maybe we might be testing, but let's see if we hold down, and now just testing. I'd love to see that closure is enough for me. So let's see if I think we just target around 34. I just targeted the low. So let's see if we have we break this CVD low, and we are near that. We are 8 minutes from, sorry about that, we are near that 1 hour break. So here we have more sellers coming in, and I would love to see a closure. We have more selling power coming in on that POC, around that POC. So with on that inversion, which now kind of is our resistance and stuff. So CVD has not yet closed. Okay, that closure is enough. So on that POC, and I'm not sure, we're just trying to kind of refill the fuel, normal of like momentum to the downside and stuff. So if I don't like what I'm seeing on the CVD side, so I just move my stop loss right here just in case we don't turn bullish, we don't turn bearish. So this is what I want to see. I want to see a break of that, a continuation. So yeah, that's good. Then let's see what price will do. Still have that bearish momentum. We have not yet closed, so I'll be cautious right here. That's enough for me. I like what I'm seeing, so I like how we have closed. So we have this bearish momentum right here as well. If this one closed, then that'll be good. So I'll just trail just in case we turn. But mind you, if here I like that momentum, so I'll just trail to right here. I don't want to be a hero of anything, so I like the bulls coming in, returning solid low like that. I just want to see another candle close, then I'll just put right there. If we close above here, then that's what I want to see. So I'll just move the try here 1 hour coming in. I just put it right here just in case. Yeah, we are below POC, and I'm out of that trade. Crazy. The reason as to why I was not confident is because we still have another inversion right here, which might serve as, and you see how CVD is holding, price is holding over there, so it's still alright with me. We just tested, then we are trying to break the low again. It's crazy. I think that's enough for me for today. Yeah, from I'm at this point I'm not really following my rules. 1 trade a day, 2 trades a day, now it's becoming 6 trades a day. Then yeah, but I think I should prioritize having good trades and not too much trades. I think that's what I should be doing. 2 minutes in, more sellers. CVD looking just exhausted. And yeah, there's this sellers coming in but squeezed. More momentum. It just turned, turned bearish. Before 1 minute to go before we close, I think we just see a flash to the downside. Just like that, yeah. So that we can just close some few seconds in, so that we can close bearish. But this is a clear indication, like interest of buyers right here. So this inversion, so we might see like coming back, testing and not breaking, because if we're heading 1 hour, then we did not break right here, then to be a clear indication like we're gonna hold a bit, then back to the open, just like that. Trying, but impossible. This is a quick buy right here, and like that is having it's just quick buys. And try to break the low at 29.11. I need to break, and this is what I'm saying. Like for me, the longer I stay in a trade, the less I see value in having good trades. So that's the reason as to why I started YouTube in the first place, like just to be precise, to make mistakes, to correct all that stuff, so that I just become a good trader and not just a trader who just see any you know, having FOMO in a way. So yeah, I should actually just put right here. we 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 bearish. Yeah, as much as price is doing like this, we're just bearish, you know. Day 55, that's enough. Bullish momentum right there. Anyways, thank you so much for tuning in. See you in the next one.